Welcome to another episode of Ask Plexus DX. Today we're diving into a really interesting topic. Can you genetically test for diabetes? You might be surprised to learn just how much your genes can tell you about your risk for this condition. So let's get into it. Genetic testing for diabetes is all about examining specific genes that can influence your likelihood of developing the disease. Now, we all know that lifestyle factors like diet and exercise play a huge role, but genetics is a big piece of the puzzle too. Certain genetic markers can indicate whether you might be more susceptible to type 1 or type 2 diabetes. If diabetes runs in your family, a genetic test could provide some valuable insights into your own risk. So, what can a genetic test actually reveal? Well, it can assess your risk by detecting specific genes associated with diabetes, like the TCF7L2 gene, which is linked to type 2 diabetes. Knowing your genetic risk can empower you to make informed lifestyle choices. For instance, if your test shows an increased risk for type 2 diabetes, you might decide to tweak your diet or ramp up your exercise routine. Taking proactive steps based on this information can be crucial in preventing the onset of diabetes. But that's not all. Genetic testing can also help identify whether you're at risk for type 1 or type 2 diabetes, which is super important for tailoring treatment strategies. Plus, it can give insights into how you might respond to specific diabetes medications, allowing for a more personalized approach to your care. Now, if you're considering genetic testing for diabetes, here are a few practical steps to think about. First, take a look at your family history. If you have close relatives with diabetes, it might be worth discussing testing with your healthcare provider. They can guide you through the process and help interpret the results. Next, choose a reputable testing service. You want a provider that offers clear reporting and straightforward interpretations of your results. And remember, regardless of what your genetic test shows, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. Eating well, exercising regularly, and keeping a healthy weight can significantly lower your chances of developing diabetes. Lastly, stay informed. The field of genetic testing is always evolving, so keeping up with the latest research can help you make better health choices down the line. So to wrap things up, genetic testing for diabetes can provide critical insights into your health, helping you make informed decisions. And if you're interested in exploring your genetic makeup further, I highly recommend checking out the Precision Health and Wellness tests from Plexus DX. You can find them at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and walmart.com. Thanks for tuning in to Ask Plexus DX. If you found this episode insightful, please like and subscribe. Remember, links to Plexus DX tests are provided below in the show notes. The following is an important disclaimer. Plexus DX is a personalized health report and laboratory testing service which enables users to obtain science-based, evidence-backed health and wellness information based on their genome. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment.